What a wonderful world. Hey party people in the place to be, it's your girl Cheryl, the activity author, and I am an author, of course it's in the title, right? And I love creating activities and arts and crafts made out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors, okay? Now, this craft is from this video right here, so if you guys want to see the entire video, go ahead and click the card up top and see the whole entire video because I have some pretty cool crafts that I made from this book, okay? All right, let's get crafty. All right, so I decided to do this paper towel train when I saw the part in the book where he was getting ready to go with his dad and there was a train on the floor and I was like, ooh, that would be fun to make. So I have a bunch of paper towel rolls lying around the house, so I said, let's go ahead and color them and make a train. So we just made different colors and I think we painted about 5 or 6 paper towel rolls. I can't remember, we were just having fun. And then we let them dry. And then I had these little squeezy tops, the little vegetable pouches. I keep those just in case. I decided to use that for the wheels, but if you don't have that, you guys can use water bottle tops, or you can even cut, like you see I'm cutting the paper towel roll to make wheels. You can do that as well. Take one of your paper towel rolls and cut a circle in the top of it, and that is going to be the first car of our train. Is like the engine or the pilot, or I think some people call it a cow catcher. I don't know, but yeah, so that's what we're making right now, and that's where the steam is going to come out. So hot glue the wheels, and then you're going to add a tissue paper last, and that is going to be the steam. That is it. Simple, right? And cute. Look how cute this turned out. My daughter adored this train and she played with it for like the whole afternoon, like by herself, just rolling it around the carpet and having a field day. That is all for this highlight video, so make sure y'all like this video because y'all made it all the way to the end, and hit that middle button right there to subscribe to the channel for more, and click on one of these 2 videos to keep the party going, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!